Beautiful section of the river. Hopefully my GoPro is capturing the scene up ahead of me. Yeah, here's the school. And a roti sandwich right here. Yeah, why don't I stop again?
Selfie.
Sure. You have a camera? Okay. I have to comb my hair. Right here? Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, another one?
One. Coba kayak gini.
Like that?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh,
What do you live?
I'm from Canada.
Canada.
Douglas. My name is Douglas.
My sister, my hobby.
My hobby?
Yeah.
Well, my main hobby is taking video. Yeah.
Model orang India. Kenapa kamu kayak Indonesia? You favorite what? You favorite food? My favorite food?
Favorite food?
Yeah.
For me, bubur ayam is my favorite.
Sedikit.
I know a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's all.
6,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. Next time. So it wasn't quite as chaotic as the first time. The first time there's a lot of younger children, a bigger crowd of them. This time they were older students and mainly girls. They tend to be a lot gentler, a little bit more easygoing on the poor foreigner and his nerves. What a beautiful day. Really glad I came out for this little scooter ride. Not a big adventure or anything like that, but pretty nice.